now in this left hand side, programming panel is visible to all of you. Okay, I think programming panel is visible to all of you. Am I correct? And in in right hand side, okay, we cannot share whiteboard, so better to use this whiteboard. This whiteboard is visible to all of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let me show you one example, different examples of how to use increment and decrement operators. Okay, so suppose here two things will be written, and you must remember one important thing: a plus plus. If we use this kind of operator, then it will use value first, then increment. Okay, and in case of plus plus a, it increment first and it will see for further increment if any. Okay, and you need to exchange the word increment and decrement. Fine, these are not equivalent, only I am saying that just exchange. Fine, so suppose if a is equals to 0 and b is just a variable. Okay, and we need to calculate the value of b. Fine, so a is equals to b 0, and suppose we are going for two different kind of operators. So a I'm muting myself due to lot of noise. Okay, so this is our first example. Fine, here what we have seen that it will increment the value and then update the value. So the boxes are memory. Okay, the boxes are memory. So initially whenever a is written first, it will give me a minute. Okay, now. So it will, but this is memory and we are using whatever value we are using, it will be written here. Okay, so let me start first. So suppose here the value of a is 0. Initially it is 0. For each and every problem, if we solve each line by line, then what will happen? Let us see. So a is 0, 0 is used, and then it will incremented. Okay, so okay, this is wrong. Okay. This interpretation is wrong actually. Now, yeah. So a is 0. So 0 is used. 0 is used, and then it will increment by 1. Now, what is the value of a? A is 1. So 1 is also used, and then it will incremented. Okay. So the final answer is 1. So let us see whether the answer is coming or not. So what we need to do, we need to write a program, integer a and b, a equals to 0 comma b. Okay, and then we will write the equation as b equals to, and see, these type of questions are always coming in objective. So maybe this time your chance is to run is to give the objective type answer. Okay, so be careful. आप इसको ध्यान से समझ लीजिए क्योंकि ये आपको कंफ्यूज कर सकते हैं. सो द आंसर B is percent D and this is your B. Okay, so let us see the output. This output is 1, correct or not?
सर
Yes.
सर मेरा फर्स्ट डे सर, मुझे कुछ समझ ही नहीं आ रहा सर.
देखो बेटा, इसके लिए आपको ना वीडियोस देखने पड़ेंगे जो हमारे हैं, है ना. फर्स्ट डे वालों को सिर्फ देखना है कि क्या हो रहा है, क्योंकि मैं उनकी वजह से बाकी 80 लोगों को शुरू से नहीं पढ़ा सकता ना. अभी तो क्लास चल रही है, रिवीजन क्लास अटेंड करो आप. ठीक है,
कब होंगी सर रिवीजन क्लासेस?
रिवीजन क्लासेस सुबह रहती है 8 बजे. रोज रहती है.
तो सर उसका लिंक कहाँ से मिलेगा?
हाँ, लिंक मैं आपको दे दूंगा, है ना. आप रिवीजन क्लास में सबसे पहले एनरोल कर लो. जिशा या फिर जो भी है यहाँ पर वॉलंटियर जो भी अवेलेबल है, वो इनको रिवीजन क्लास का लिंक भेज देना व्हाट्सएप का. ठीक है.
ओके सर.
हाँ, ओके. सो दिस इज 1. नाउ कम टू सेकेंड प्रॉब्लम. इन सेकेंड प्रॉब्लम व्हाट इज रिटन? a की वैल्यू इनिशियली क्या है? a is equals to 0. Okay, a is equals to 0. So it will use the value of a first and then increment. Okay, and here followed by this, what it will do? It will initially increment the value. So what is the value of a? A's value is 1, and 1 is incremented by 1 is 2. Okay, and 2, and then it will write the value. So the answer will be 2. So let us see this program also. What is written? A plus plus and plus plus a. Clear? So अब इसको हम रन करके देखते हैं. तो so what is the answer?
सर प्लीज वापस समझाइए.
हाँ, मैं वापस समझा रहा हूँ. बस ये स्क्रीन का लेआउट थोड़ा सा कम कर रहा हूँ. विंडो साइज इज 71. 71 means this width. So this I need to use 30 and 30 height. Okay, so if I am closing this and I am running this, no, this is not work. Give me 1 minute. Okay. properties. Screen buffer size is not 9000 is okay. This might be 60 and this too will be 60. Now this is okay. Fine. See, we are going to discuss post increment and pre increment operator. So I had already told you, whenever we want to use all these values, okay, whenever we want to use all these values, so what we need to do, we need to do how to perform all these operations. So our second problem is a plus plus. Okay, initially it starts with a equals to 0. A equals to 0, it uses a equals to 0 first, uses first, then increment. Okay, now the value of memory in a is like this. Okay, now in the next, because it is in same line, so next is a plus plus once again. So it uses the value of a. Now what is the value of a? Initially it was 0, it was used as 0 and incremented, so it will become 1. After that, a is incremented further, the value of a is incremented, sorry, the value of a is used. So what is the value of a? A's value is 1 and then it is incremented, so it is written like 2. Fine. कोई doubt है यहाँ पर?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No doubt?
No, sir.
Now in the second iteration, second problem, the value of a is used first. The value of a is used first. Use. Okay. Then incremented. 0 plus 1 is 1. After that, here it will increment first. It will increment. It will perform all the operation first. All the operation means in the entire line. Okay. And now the value of this is 2 and the final value of a is 2. So 2 is written here and 0 plus 2 is 2. Okay. So whenever I am running this program, it will be 2. Fine. Now next problem is plus plus a. This is our plus plus a. Here carefully watch the problem. Okay. And this is a plus plus. Fine. So in this particular problem, a is 0. A is 0. We start from a is equals to 0. Okay, each line. So a is equals to 0 plus plus a means it will first perform the, what it will perform? It will perform increment. So now the answer is 1. Okay, and still it is in waiting. Okay, it is waiting for next operation to be performed. It uses first the value of a. So what is the value of a is at this time? The value of a is 1.
0.
And yeah, value of a is 1 from here. This is first, then the value of a is this and value of a is this. Now it will increment, it will use the value of a. So value of a is used by this. Now increment to 2. What is the final increment? Final increment is 2. So the answer is 3. Okay, answer is 3. So got it or not?
No, sir.
Not understand, I know.
सर यहाँ पर
तो वापस बताओ एक बार।
सर 2 आएगा ना आंसर थर्ड वाले में
नहीं नहीं नहीं, 3 आएगा। ध्यान से समझना आप, है ना। आपका एक इक्वेशन है, पूरा लाइन है, ठीक है, पूरा लाइन है। मैं आपको मतलब फिर से इसको इरेज कर देता हूं। ये मेमोरी है ना। क्या लिखा था मुझे याद दिला देना। b इक्वल्स टू क्या लिखा हुआ था?
सर प्लस प्लस ए।
प्लस ए
और प्लस ए प्लस प्लस ना।
ए प्लस।
ओके, ये मेमोरी है, हाँ बॉक्स वाला मेमोरी है, और ये बॉक्स के अंदर भी मेमोरी है, ये वाली वैल्यू हम यूज करेंगे इक्वेशन में, ठीक है। सो इट स्टार्ट्स विथ a equals to 0, got it, no problem, a equals to 0. now here क्या हमने लिखा हुआ था कि it will increment first and then use the value, increment first, what is the increment of 0? 1, okay, then it will not use because plus operator is already there. After that, here what it will use, it will use 1, it will use first, okay, it will use first, then do the, then perform the increment, then perform the increment. Now after whole operation completion, this plus plus a will take the value as 2. Now the answer is 3. Got it or not?
Why, sir? Sir, first it will take the one value, first increment, then use, and afterwards it will first use and then it will be increment. No?
हाँ, so it has used the value 1, it has used the value 1, okay, because after this plus, this is the a, this is the value, so a's value, mute, okay, so this is it has used, okay, it has used means it is in picture there, and then increment, but it is not in picture, this value is not in picture, okay. So after that, the value of a becomes 2, okay. After using this and incrementing this, value of a becomes 2. So the final value of a becomes 2. So 2 plus 1 equals to 3. And you can see the output also. And let me show you next example so that you will be able to understand very clearly. This is 3, okay. Now come to this. What is the value of a? 0. So it is incremented first, but waiting for use, okay. Just 1 second. Okay, so now is, yes, anyone has calculated this?
4. Sir,
Huh.
4.
How much it is?
4.
4. The answer is 4, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so how this answer
Yes,
will
sir,
come?
4.
Let us explain by me. Okay, so it will, what will be performed by this a plus plus, okay, plus plus a. Initially this is 0, it is incrementing the value of a by 1, okay, but not used, plus again this will perform the addition, means increment first, and then finally no other thing is there, so it is started using, so the answer is 4. Any doubt? And let me show you whether it is correct or not. So this is 4. Clear or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
सर
Yes.
सर आप जो बता रहे हो ना कि पहले इंक्रीमेंट हुआ फिर हम लोग यूज करने के लिए वेट कर रहे हैं, सर वो वाला कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं समझ आ रहा। मतलब हम लोगों ने ऊपर के 2 क्वेश्चन में तो वैसा कुछ लगाया नहीं।
ऊपर के 2 क्वेश्चन में ये और ये क्वेश्चन में लगाया ना, कॉन्सेप्ट लगाया, बिल्कुल लगाया।
सर
अब
वेटिंग
देखो,
वाला नहीं लगाया ना।
वेटिंग वाला लगाया ना मैंने। देखो जहां ए पहले लिख गया ना, जहां ए पहले लिखा है वो आप यूज कर लोगे, तुरंत यूज करोगे बिना देरी किए। लेकिन जहां ए बाद में लिखा वो वेट करेगा।
ओके सर।
समझ में
Got
आई
it.
बात? यहाँ वेट
हाँ
कर
सर।
रहा था, यहाँ पर तो लास्ट ही था, तो वेट करने का सवाल ही नहीं उठता, है ना। और एक दो एग्जांपल और देख लेते हैं। Okay, now what is the value of this? P equals to A minus minus, then plus A minus minus. Okay, what is the value of this?
-1.
Total answer is -1, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Yes, total answer will be -1 because it uses 0 first and then decrement. So decrement by 1, and it uses the same value, okay, same value over here, and then decrement. The final value of A is -2 actually. Okay, so the answer is 0 plus -1 equals to -1. Now next, minus minus A plus A minus minus.
-1.
The -3.
-3.
-3. It will decrement the value first, so it will become -1. It uses the value, okay, it uses the value -1 and then decrement further, so the value is -2, and this -2 will be written here. So the answer of adding these two number will give you -3.
-3.
Yes. So is it now clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
So now you can use
Yes, sir.
post increment, pre increment like operators. Suppose the next problem is very specific. What is the answer of this? So you cannot directly calculate it. First you need to create bracket, okay, because it must be a binary operator, and then whatever resultant is there, then it will operate here. Okay, so here it will finalize the value, and then we go for this. So let us write this equation also. Plus plus A plus A plus A plus plus. So this is simple problem actually. Here there is no problem. Okay, initial value of A. Initial value of A is 0. So it will increment the value but not use. So incremented by 1, and then again it is blank, incremented by 1. This is 2. 2 plus 2. Okay, and plus what is the value of this? This is 2, and then increment by 1 and 3. So the answer is 6. Okay, got it or not?
Yes, sir.
सर एक बार वापस बताइए ना.
Sir.
हाँ, देखिए जो भी ऑपरेटर होते हैं प्लस माइनस, ये सिर्फ दो ऑपरेंड के बीच ऑपरेट होते हैं, ऑपरेंड 1 एंड ऑपरेंड 2. ओके, तो कंपाइलर क्या करता है, इट विल क्रिएट वन एसोसिएशन ब्रैकेट्स लेफ्ट टू राइट. So it will create initially this bracket for true operand, and then this will be operated after the result of this will come. Okay, so अब आप क्या करेंगे, सबसे पहले a की वैल्यू 0 लिखिए. 0 लिखी है तो 0 is incremented first, and left blank for next operation. Okay, again this 0 will become, this a will become 1. A is incremented first, then it is used. Now this is final. Okay, so finally it will be used here and it will be used here. The final value of a will be used here and here also, and this will whatever maybe, okay, 4 or something like that. And after that what happened, this a will use first. जब आप पहले a लिखते हैं तो it will use first and then increment. So it will use first and then incremented the value. So the final answer is 6. Let me show you one more example for more clarity. Okay, this is our problem and this is memory A. Now, initially the value of A is 0. So what is, initially it will create one bracket for this. Why
Sir,
this
answer
bracket
is 4.
Answer is 4. Let me solve first. Okay.
6.
Yeah. Let us see. Let us see. So it is 1. Fine. And it is used here. This 1 is used here and then increment by 2. So this 2 is written here. Okay. Then plus the 2 will be incremented first and it will become 3. And finally, the answer is 2 plus 1 plus 3 equals to 6. So let us see, plus plus A is there and A plus plus. A plus 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 A. So answer must be 6, but let us see. So answer is 6. Now is it clear to all? Or one more example you want to see?
Yes, sir.
I think this is very clear, but be careful. ये एग्जाम में आ सकता है, इसलिए जिनको अभी भी नहीं समझ में आया वो पूछ लेंगे. जो लोग आज पहली बार भी आए हैं ना, they can also easily understand that why this operator is used. Okay, if they don't know programming, they just know the logic only, then only they will be able to understand. So is it clear to all of you?
सर ये 2 कहाँ से आया?
कौन सा वाला 2? ये वाला?
यस सर.
हाँ, तो आपको एक बार और सॉल्व करके दिखा रहा हूँ. आप थोड़ा सा ध्यान से देखना, बहुत बड़ी ट्रिक है इसमें. इसमें सारी वेराइटीज है ना, इसलिए प्लस प्लस ए लिखा और प्लस ए प्लस प्लस लिखा और फिर प्लस 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 ए लिखा. ओके, तो यहाँ पर एक सर्किट है कंप्यूटर में, ठीक है, और इनिशियल वैल्यू जो है ए की वो क्या है, 0 है. हम यहाँ ऊपर जो लिख रहे हैं वो मेमोरी वैल्यू लिख रहे हैं, ठीक है, ये मेमोरी की वैल्यू. अब आप क्या करते हैं कि जब आपको कोई भी चीज करनी है कंप्यूटर में, जैसे आपको परफॉर्म करना है a इक्वल्स टू a प्लस बी प्लस सी प्लस डी मल्टीप्लाइड बाय ई, ऐसा कुछ परफॉर्म करना है, तो इसको परफॉर्म करने के लिए कंप्यूटर जो है वो एसोसिएशन यूज करता है. यहाँ पर एसोसिएशन यूज नहीं होगा, ये सी अकेला रहेगा, क्योंकि मल्टीप्लिकेशन जो है बॉडमॉस रूल पे फर्स्ट आता है ना, तो ये सी अलग हो जाएगा. तो इस तरह से लेफ्ट टू राइट एसोसिएशन चलती है यहाँ पर एडिशन की. सिर्फ यदि सारे एडिशन है तो लेफ्ट टू राइट एसोसिएशन होगी. तो ये इस फॉर्मूले को हमने यूज किया. अब यहाँ पर देखिए, इनिशियली द वैल्यू ऑफ ए इज 0. मैंने आपको क्या बोला, यूज कौन सा करेगा, यूज केवल जिसमें ए पहले लिखा वो करेगा, बाकी सारे वेट करेंगे. ठीक है, बाकी सारे भी वेट कब करेंगे, हम पहले तो ब्रैकेट बनाएंगे. ब्रैकेट में ये प्रॉब्लम नंबर 1 हुआ, इसका जो भी आंसर आएगा वो ये जो आंसर आएगा इस आंसर को इसके साथ यूज करेंगे तो ये प्रॉब्लम नंबर 2 होगा। ठीक है, ये प्रॉब्लम नंबर 2 होगा। तो अब हम देखते हैं कि पहले प्रॉब्लम नंबर 1 को सॉल्व करते हैं। ये प्रॉब्लम नंबर 1 है हमारी और उसके बाद उसके अंदर प्रॉब्लम नंबर 2 है। सो प्रॉब्लम नंबर 1 को जैसे ही सॉल्व करेंगे, सो इनिशियली इट विल नॉट यूज एनीथिंग, इट विल जस्ट इंक्रीमेंट द वैल्यू, फाइन, एंड बाद फिर ये क्या कर रहा है, ये वैल्यू को यूज कर रहा है। इसने वैल्यू को यूज कर लिया, जो भी ए की वैल्यू उसको यूज कर लिया, और प्लस प्लस करने के बाद इंक्रीमेंट से ये 2 आया, लेकिन ये अभी तक खाली है। क्यों खाली है? क्योंकि इसके आगे प्लस प्लस लिखा है और ये यूज बाद में करेगा। ये पहले सबको मौका देगा, उसके बाद यूज करेगा, तो यूज करने पर इसका जो आंसर आएगा वो 2 आएगा। ठीक है, यहां से 2 आ रहा है। अब ये जो है ये वैल्यू क्या करेगा, पहले इंक्रीमेंट करेगा, पहले इसकी वजह से ये इंक्रीमेंट करेगा, इंक्रीमेंट करने पर ये हो गया 3, और इसके बाद इसको यूज करेगा। Okay, so the answer is 2 plus 1 plus 3. That's why the result is 6.
Okay, sir.
Clear? तो अब आप किसी भी तरह का प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर सकते हो।
यस सर,
हो जाएगा ना?
Yes, sir.
यस सर।
So let me close this here. Session 2, increment and decrement is completed. Arithmetic expression was also completed. तो आज हम प्रोग्रामिंग सीखते हैं, है ना, प्रोग्रामिंग, इनिशियल लेवल ऑफ प्रोग्रामिंग। तो ये मैं क्लोज कर देता हूं और इसको यूज करते हैं। आप लोगों को पता ही होगा कि प्रोग्रामिंग कैसे करते हैं। अब आपको यदि 2 कंडीशन की प्रोग्रामिंग करनी है, इफ यू हैव 2 नंबर ऑफ कंडीशंस, दिस ऑपरेटर इज ओवर C. So program control statement will come. There are multiple statements for controlling the program. तो यहाँ पर आपको सिलेक्शन है, इटरेशन है और जंप है, मतलब लूपिंग एंड ब्रांचिंग, ये सारी चीजें। These are the standard construct, okay, and exit function also. So the main construct used in C are selection construct, किसको आप select करेंगे, and this is for decision making, okay, decision making. If A is greater than B, if A equals to 9, A equals to 10, then what will be the answer? Then loop. Looping means how many times the same program will run. Then come to iteration. Iteration is unconditional. Unconditional means we will see do while loop is there. So in do while loop we are using, so the conditional statement, if statement. There are 2 statements, switch case and if statement, because in multiple if statement we are jumping how to move from one place to another place, so we use switch. Switch statement is based on particular case. If the A is 10, B is 10, or whatever cases are there, so we pick one switch and then automatically it will start. So this is if expression statement, else expression, else statement, okay, if else. So let me show you the example of this. आपको जो भी प्रोग्राम लिखना है, उस प्रोग्राम को लिखने के लिए आपको इन सारी चीजों की जरूरत पड़ेगी। ये आप लोगों को पता होना चाहिए क्या क्या चीजों की जरूरत है। इंटीजर, and I am saving this if demo. Okay, here whether you want to take input from user or not, so let me take the input from user. Yes, A and B, and then we will ask, and this program is for greater maximum among 2, maximum among फाइन. सो दिस इज अवर प्रोग्राम. एंड आपको इस प्रोग्राम के लिए किन किन चीजों की जरूरत पड़ने वाली है? इनके लिए हमको ए और बी की जरूरत पड़ेगी, यानी 2 नंबर होंगे तभी हम बता पाएंगे कि वेदर दिस प्रोग्राम इज which number is maximum. Okay, so let me write printf then within /n enter 2 numbers. Okay, it will be displayed in screen and followed by a semicolon, then write scanf. कौन कौन से 2 नंबर हमको एंटर करवाने हैं? वो नंबर है %d for A, %d for B. Okay, both the numbers are decimal, comma address of A, comma address of B. Okay, and followed by this semicolon. Now this is your actual branching instruction. Okay, if conditional statement, if A is greater than B, if A is greater than B, okay, it will print A is printf A is maximum. Okay, else means if this condition is false, then I will print B is maximum. अब देखिए ये प्रोग्राम हमने बना लिया है. ओके, देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम इन दिस प्रोग्राम. कोई भी सारी चीजें आपको बहुत क्लियर हैं. यहाँ पर कोई डाउट है आपको? और ये जो लास्ट लाइन है, इट इज नॉट पार्ट ऑफ प्रोग्राम. ओके, इट इज जस्ट रिटन फॉर segregating the output generated by system. Is there any problem with this? Is this program is yes? Yes. So let me explain it in whiteboard also. Maximum among 2 numbers. Okay, for this purpose we need 2 numbers from user. Okay, first thing. Second thing, comparison is required. Okay, and third thing, output. So ये हमारे raw material है programming के लिए. Let us start writing program. So initially we start with include, and let us see one more logic is there. Whenever I am writing if is written as this: if A is greater than B, possibility is either true or false. If it is true, print A. Okay, and if it is false, then print B. Okay, and then finally it will stop, it will halt the program. And okay, and it starts from here, start followed by enter 2 number and input 2 number, enter 2 number and input 2 number A and B, and then it will check for this. So this is our flow chart for this particular program. Let us now convert this into our main program. So it will start with include. This is our preprocessor directive. Include stdio.h. Okay. Then write the first line of program integer main. It is by default we are using integer. Okay. Then we can use we need two numbers. Okay, we need two numbers, two placeholders. So placeholders are integer a comma b followed by semicolon. Then next statement is we need to take this number from user. So whenever we need to take the number from user, then use printf and write a statement like enter two numbers. Okay, and then it will scan for those numbers. Scanf %d. This f is formatted as scan. Okay, %d, because we are using one for a and another for b. Fine, that's why %d and %d double quote and comma address of a. It will store that address of a and it will also store that address of b. That's why this address is given by us, address of b. Okay, after that it will check if a is greater than b. So there may be two conditions. So initially we understand that this condition is true. So print f a is max. Else if this is false, if is false, then it will write printf b is max. Okay, and then return 0 and this program terminated. कोई डाउट है यहाँ से लेफ्ट से राइट में लॉजिक में जाने में? अब देखिए यदि मैंने यहाँ प्रोग्राम लिखा 7 और 6, suppose 5 लिखा, so 7 is greater than 5, so it will print a is max. Okay, and when the reverse condition is there, 5 and 7, then it will print, it will go here. So 5 is not greater than b. This statement will be discarded and this statement will be read by the system and it will print b is maximum. And if both are equal, so let us see what compiler will do. Okay. So this is our program, if demo, and let me run this program. So this program, after running, it is asking for two numbers. So I had entered 34, 56. B is maximum, no problem. Now 4 and 4. B is maximum. Why this B is maximum will come? Any guesses?
Because sir, we have not declared equal to.
Yes, this is part of answer. Actually, the question is violated. If A is greater than B, it will automatically discard it. This statement will automatically discard it. Okay, because this statement is false. A is equals to B is only the correct statement. So that's why it will display like this. Clear? Now you need to take input from user for principal, amount, time and rate. Okay, and just check whether the answer for how many years. If the answer of principal is double, okay, then it will print principal is double. if the principal amount becomes double after interest, so then it will print principal amount is double. प्रॉब्लम समझ में आया? आपको यूजर से प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट और इंटरेस्ट रेट और टाइम लेना है, और टाइम के बाद आपको ये देखना है कि कब ये अमाउंट डबल होता है. हो जाएगा, बन जाएगा ये प्रोग्राम.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, let us do some other example. आपको फाइंड करना है कि if the number is even, then it will print date, today's date, and if the number is odd, then it will print calendar. ये वाला कर पाएंगे आप? My problem is accept a number from user and check whether the number is even. If it is even, it will print date. If it is odd, it will print calendar. Okay, so for how to check even, so you just go for this a mod 2 equals to 0. Okay, if this is 0, then number is even. Why? Because whenever we are calculating a mod 2, okay, a mod 2, so it is just checking for remainder. If odd number is there, automatically it will give you remainder as 1. If even number is there, then it will give you 0. Okay, so I had explained the logic, and now just create the program. Just try to create the program. So let me hide my screen and switch this screen to PowerPoint only. You just write your code and tell me what is the result. Oh. Why this is creating problem, I don't know.
Sir,
Yes,
done, sir. Executed.
executed.
Yes, sir.
In which system you have executed?
Sir, Dev C++.
DVC++.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so just tell me what are the statements. Okay, let me display my screen also. Yeah. Empty file, then Control C, Control V, and then save if demo2. If demo. Yes. Headers बताइए. What are the headers?
Hashtag include
हाँ
studio.h,
okay,
then int main,
direct main or some other okay,
iostream.h
no,
for header file.
so this is our program. Initially it will ask for entering one number. Enter any number. Okay, enter any number. Fine. Then it will scan for that number, whether it is A or B. So this is A actually. If A is A mod 2 is equals to 0, no single equals, then print. So not print, it will simply use system system command, and then it will run date. Okay, or else it will run system command and then print calendar. Fine. So let us see whether this program is able to run or not. So I had entered 5, it will print calendar. So calendar is not recognized as internal or external command. So how do we run this program now? Is there any way to run this program? Anyone is having any idea? Because it is able to run in Ubuntu also. Am I correct? So let me show you. If demo2 is there, and there is one folder called this Kapil 444, and this folder is open. Maybe this is working. Yes. Yes. Now if demo, the name of program if demo is appeared here, because I am having shortcut there. So let me run this program. cc if demo 2.c -o if demo 2. Okay. Permission
Excuse me,
denied.
sir.
Yes.
सर हमारी नेक्स्ट क्लास स्टार्ट हो गई है.
ओके
कॉल आ
ओके
रही है सर की.
ओके 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 फाइन 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 फाइन. मुझे आज तो आप लोग ने ये प्रोग्राम कॉपी कर लिया है, उबंटू में इसको रन करवा लीजिएगा. नहीं होगा तो फिर आप मुझे बताइए, है ना? ठीक है. सो लेट मी टेक योर अटेंडेंस फर्स्ट. डाउनलोड अटेंडेंस लिस्ट. Yes, now you can leave. Thank you very much.
थैंक यू सर.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, thank you.
थैंक यू सर.
थैंक यू. जितने लोग नए आए हैं वो सुबह की क्लास ज्वाइन
Thank you, sir.
करेंगे. ठीक है, कल सुबह 8 बजे से एक क्लास है आप लोग, और इनको शुभांकर वाले ग्रुप में ऐड करो. ठीक है, जितने लोग
सर
नए
लिंक
हैं.
वहीं मिल.
लिंक है ना तुम्हारे ग्रुप में. ए सेक्शन बी सेक्शन सब में तो लिंक डाली है.
सर सुबह की क्लास का लिंक.
सुबह 8 बजे से क्लास स्टार्ट होती है, 45 मिनट की रहती है. ठीक है.
और सर उसका लिंक शुभांकर दे देगा ना सर?
हाँ दे देगा. नहीं देगा तो आप मेरा नंबर तो आप लोग के पास है, आप मेरे से बस पूछ लेना व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप का लिंक चाहिए करके. ठीक है. रिवीजन वाले व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप का लिंक चाहिए, मैं आपको उसमें भेज दूंगा। क्लियर?
ठीक है सर।
ठीक, थैंक यू।
Thank you, sir.